Welcome. Today, we'll show you how to create your Outlook email account right from your mobile device. First, download the Outlook app from your App Store. It's simple and easy. Just search for Outlook. Next, open the app and tap Create Account. You'll need to enter your desired email address. Make sure your email is unique. If it's already taken, the app will suggest alternatives for you. Now, set a strong password. Aim for at least 8 characters with a mix of letters and numbers. Finally, tap Sign Up. You'll receive a confirmation email to activate your account. Check your inbox. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Outlook email account on mobile. Enjoy emailing. Explore features like organizing your inbox and scheduling meetings directly from the app. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or check our other videos for more tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Happy emailing! Stay tuned for more helpful content. See you next time.